Not no more than as I stated before. Just because you see Miss Kitty husband buy her a Range Rover, you can't hardly drive a donkey cart go through town. Because the same X6 they're going to put your ass in a one piece of trouble. It probably even end you up in the hospital. Full of a bad mind, social media. Have the are so brainwashed that you're here. Some of us are in the United States, Canada, England, and somebody that Jamaica. I wanna have it in our head, say the person at Jamaica better than me, and better than uno. In what way? What way? Because she have a 3-bedroom house? In what way? Is because she's selling 2 cake and getting 2 shilling? Eh? How can you compare somebody in a third world country to be better off than you, living in a ghetto, just because she can purchase fuel like a cheap car from China, where she not even earn the money right, forget? Eh? She and a bootstrap family? The old tired girl just a little get a rat. I want to make her a fool, you know. She don't have one ras more than the charity money where she turn around and invested. And that can go at any time. And then uno come and compare. Me see she dey on Instagram every time I go over to reel and me see she a drop out. And me a drop out pan. Me da ask her, me a drop out pan because I live better than you. So you can't stay in your house and your bedroom and sit and drop out pan because I know me a drop out pan. Me da ask you. From me hear the song them and me hear you go on and a chat. Not drop no out pan me because me quite alright. You see which part me there? Me all have maid service. So nobody drop no out pan me. So me the last somebody you drop out pan. Me know that straight up. Me see you over by pop up over Reel and TikTok. I mean no see me a drop out pan. Me not ask Christ. Stay the drop out. Cause them say every bucket I go well, one day must drop out. I me tell people already. You have whole heap of confession to do. And when the time come, when Jesus ready to convict you, you will see the amount of balling where you put on. And by now, sorry for you. By that's all sorry for you. I know say intimate come to you already. When God ready for you, if he convict you, you'll give every ras where you have back to poor people. You'll start sell left, right, and center. You can't even collect from a soul because God don't make you can't take nothing from the body. You have to go sell every fucking thing we have and give back to the poor people them. And that may predict to that for you. You have to go sell back everything we have. When the people them have for you, you have to say, no, I cannot take it. You confess. So you have to sell back every fucking thing you have. When God ready for you. That is your punishment when God ready for you. And I'm going to be right here and live and see when that day come. You can't take a dime from the body. You have to sell your assets them where you have and give back to the poor where you rob. And that is my statement for you. So stay over there and dance and drop out for me. Me know the song them where you play. Me know the song them. Me see you. Me see I drop out them pan. Me I drop out pan. Whether you live in America or you come back and live or not, you have to sell them and give them back. And give back to the poor people them. Because one thing, when it comes to charity, Jesus Christ not play. Because when people give them hard working money and say give it to the poor, and you rob the poor and make it into your own self, me sorry for you. The judgment and not nice. So if you know a good for you, a time I did a compound Facebook and YouTube about you buy X6 car because X5 now run things again. You go take the X6 money there and go on the 14 parish yard and go X6 yourself and give back to the poor children them and mothers. Because the same X6 they're going to put your ass in a one piece of trouble. It probably even end you up in the hospital. So you stay there and show off and make people tell away foolishness. and keep on about your exit. You don't need no exit. You have up a vehicle already. You don't need no exits. Go give it back to the people. Jamaica is very hard. How you feel for come a brag, but you buy exits for birthday and you have whole heap of vehicle already. And people want the money for go. You can't give the money to people for go buy food. You don't need no exits. And you're too damn bad man and grudgeful. Not more than as I stated before. Just because you see Miss Kitty husband buy her a Range Rover. Your ass man should not buy a Range Rover. You shouldn't go buy an X6 for yourself. You always a boss of a man. That is what your man give you. What do your man give you? You say your name sugar and say, what your man give you? Your man buy a Range Rover? Or you buy a Range Rover get to your man for drive? Which one? Eh? Just because you hear some Miss Kitty husband buy her. She should work hard. She's very educated and she get a nice husband and she's pushing out a baby for him. Him should have buy her an X29. And plus she have to go push out baby in a couple months. Pain and suffering. It's just that we women nowadays sometimes we not chat to certain man. We give us thing. But tell you the truth, and rich people alone we get rich present. I hope you learn from it. So no man nowadays to when we are push out pitney phone, we're not supposed to go buy us a diamond ring. And somehow we sit down there push out 5-6 pitney for man. And I'll know them a clock the ring pound of finger. I will not see them a woman here come down a boast and a brag. Hey. You see your man. The woman they must start closing leg pan them man here. Not a ras more picking. No more pitting if you tell them this year until they get married. So the time you did your talk about to go buy X6, how that look? How that look for you? You can't hardly drive a donkey cart go through town. But just for go drive X6. You know X6 powerful? You can't drive X6? Eh? And somebody have to drive that for you. You know the powerful engine eh? And a BMW in a Jamaica. And you buy X6 and you can't hardly drive. I don't think you can drive first to Ochi. Maybe you can't drive first to the Coronation Market. I don't even think you can drive to Coronation Market go pick up two city. Because there's no way you can manage down a downtown. Me that ask you, me I tell you that straight up. Me I drive to Jamaica for 20 years. I'm a master Jamaica. And as much as you live up a little place there, you can't drive in the downtown. Me that ask you. You better make sure, you see, you make sure so the people can come pick you up with the cat. The only thing you can drive down a damn cat. Go take that X6 money and go feed the people them. Go give the people them. You're too show off. And show off bring disgrace. Because you cannot drive. You cannot drive. You understand? The only thing you can drive is to come on Facebook and show off. That's it. So no bother come, man. Don't bother come. Nobody come on TikTok and reel and a drop word. Me know me a drop word pan because you hear some in a hotel a vacation me a spend you can't stay there say what time junk time the ass fool. Me na ask you. So just so think you can drop no word pan me and feel like say because you hear say me book in a one nice establishment and a riff me now. Me just want to make it clear. I go and shame all me enemy them. All I know, I go shame like a dog. So nobody stay upon social media. You stay at Jamaica rejoice. Me I live my life. Can't drive only around the gully. She can't drive. Big belly. Like she can't even go around the gully. She can't drive. I'm about one X6 car. Go give back to the people. You don't need no X's. Stop watching Miss Kitty and the man. You supposed to get married. You so established and get married. You know, find a man for married to you. Always depend on social media. Give people. You have to sit down for the rest of your life and take people man. No, sir. So all the time you go to Canada. You know, find one little man in Canada. All the time. Where you do? Married to one little boy up a place. And you tell me say, oh, you're so big. And you so rich. And you tell me say one nice man of Jamaica no call for married to you. And you can cook pigtail and cake and bake. So what happened now? So what you tell me now? You bled since I say want to come talk now. All this time, you got Canada. You not find nobody interested in you. Oh. Then how me find too much man around me down and me so ugly? And me and them say me have caca and my belly big. Then how me Oh me have man a call me from Jamaica, Canada, England, all over the place. Then how you can find one to married and you want to solve for name. So what you do? You name, so when them a cuss me now, say me a take married man. So a married man you a take too. Is married man you taking too? You take people man too, cause them a cuss me. Them say me a take people man and them all find man wife, you call man wife and say them are there with me. Then who are you taking? All me know me not mind no man. I mean me not buy no man no car, no bicycle. So you tell me now, you so rich that you can come on social media and drop word for me in your reel. Cause me know me a drop word for me, not ask you, me see it for myself. And when you take a video, then me know me a drop word for. So me I say to myself, say, how you not married back yet? How you not married yet so rich? How you not find one woman like Miss Kitty? If you so nice and pretty and you have everything, normally no. When a woman is so established, you know, them have one hot ass man side them, you know, whether you're big, fat or ugly. They have one nice man side them, you know. For the more terrace man with that Jamaica, then how me get them the man there when me have a Jamaica, when me talked about there, then the hot businessman there, I know people there. When me have some friend in Jamaica, me talked to for years, I pay a blood clot BMW and big car and drive, you know. And they live up in a Beverly Hills, you know. And some of them have much houses and business. So and me so ugly. And me can't find somebody. I say me don't have nothing. Then how you can't find one of them in their yard? How is that? So when they come across me, say this and this and that, I am coming to the conclusion for who no know. Why she can't find a man to marry her? Who is she waiting on? Then I wish every gate she are going now. Come talk to me now. Come talk to me. And I wish she go with her house and I carry them. When Mr. Sickness and death and trials and tribulation cause. Come and tell us something, you know. Something are coming up. Me is a wild one. I the best Ross life me ever live here right now. I one of the best Ross life me I live for the year, you know. I me say, me shouldn't even come on social media and make uno try to take me out of the happiness. Me should have just sit down and lie down and just read my Bible and just bawl and worship God and say, God, I love you, Lord. Father God, me sorry. Holy Father, me sorry. I should be praising you for what you have done in my life. Don't complain. And don't turn your hand to wickedness. You cannot serve two masters. You can't ask God for something you run God and man. It's not going to work.